Let's see the growth of roots, stem, and leaves. We put seeds in the soil. My children are helping me with the plantation. One by one, we are planting seeds in the soil. Now is the time to put water in them. When you feed water, the roots of the plantation become strong and they grow under the soil.
Whereas stems grow over the soil. And this results in the growth of leaves.
These are different kinds of leaves that grow.
All these leaves are grown on the stems.
And now is the time to harvest. The plant has grown into a fully grown tree with apples.
And some grow under the soil, like carrots.